Welcome back, guys. Another video now for this JavaScript. So in our incredible journey now, we will learn together the objects on JavaScript. So before we dive in our lesson, don't forget to make a small revision, to make always notes in order to understand more and more and stay updated. That's all. Okay, let's start together. Okay, open our VJ code like so. We have our index.js. Okay, now let's start coding. Okay, first of all, we can make a small object, const object equal to, and we make curly brackets like so. Okay. First of all, curly brackets we can mention on a small comment that are an empty object like so, in order to clarify things. Okay, good job. Now, if you want, we can make inside this object. The name is object, and we make inside some objects. Okay, first of all, we can make a name if you want, like so. Name equal to Rami. Age, you can mention age equal to 25. Okay, then we have the address, like so. The address will be also an object that contain the city, for example, equal to monastery if you want, like so. And we can make also the country, which is Tunisia. It's so simple. And we make the street if you want. We can make as you want, main street, for example. Okay, good job. Okay, now we learn how to access to those objects, like the console log, and we write the name, global name, which is object.name, in order to point on the name exactly. Okay, save and see together. Congratulations, the name is shown successfully. Good job. Make small command there. Use the dot notation. Object.name. Good job. Okay, if you want, then we can access also to the age. Then think object.age. Save and see together is shown successfully on the console. 25. Okay, now if you want to access to those objects which are inside the address, okay, we should use the console log object.address.city, like so. Good job, it's shown successfully. Okay, if you want, also can access to the country, same as the address, the city, object.address.country. Save and see together. Congratulations, it's shown successfully. Okay, good job. It's so simple. We can mention that are the nested object and the comment to make the difference between them. Nested object. Okay, if you want, there can make our test. Okay, for example, we can mention that we have an object which is named 20 equal to a string hello, for example, is just a test. Okay, save, and then if you want to access to this object, we can write console.log and then object dot square brackets. Okay, and they make the 20. It's hello. Hello is shown successfully. Good job. Hope that you love this video. Hope that all things are clear. If you have anything, you can make on the comment.